and 23/7/2025. On all these days, the matter was adjourned. On 12/8/2025, the matter was directed to be deleted from the caption dismissal. On 9/9/2025, this court had passed an order that the order dated 29/10/2024 is not complied with. That this court will not consider any of the contention of the respondent, and on that view, the writ petition shall be allowed. Directed the matter to be listed on 25/9/2025. Today also, there is no representation. Next, the writ petition is filed. Where is that order?
Page number 13, my lord.
Writ petition is filed. Questioning the order passed on. I number 11.
Yes,
What is this IA?
section 24 application,
Is it I11?
I11, my lord.
I11. Dated 16 November 2023. Whereby the court had directed to pay maintenance of 25,000 per month to respondent and two minor children. 25,000 to the wife and two minor children from the date of IA number 9 till disposal of the petition. What is the income of the husband?
My lord, he is working as an engineer at Singapore as per his own admission made in the cross-examination, my lord. Page number 19, my lord, para 17. The
Page number 19 of what?
Para 17 of impugned order, my lord.
Yes. What is the amount you are seeking?
My lord, I have sought 30,000 to me and 10,000 towards my minor children and 15,000 towards house rent, my lord. And my one son is suffering with the mental disability, my lord. He needs care.
So 30, 10, 10, that is 40, then
15,000 for house rent.
55,000.
55,000. And one more submission I would make, my lord. There is one CMIS filed in the year 2018. There is 20,000 is awarded, 15,000 to me and 5,000 towards one child. 15 and 5.
Then what did you do? Did you not
Sorry,
file
my
any
lord,
EP?
20,000 and 5,000.
EP.
EP.
Execution.
Execution, not filed, my lord.
Why?
It is pending, my lord. It is pending.
Execution filed or not?
Not filed.
Why not? Why it is not filed? That's what I'm
Proceeding is pending. DV proceeding is pending, and this is the divorce
asking. The interim order is not complied with. Will you not file? Want to seek implementation of the order?
that they have not filed. Some of the amount he has paid meanwhile, and from
What will happen now? That 20 plus this 55 will become 75.
no, my lord, 20 plus 5,000. It is 25,000, my lord. 20 plus 5,000. He is not complying that also. My problem is that, my lord, I have sought for modification of the order. The last part of the operation, this page number 22 may kindly be seen, my lord, of impugned order. The liberty is reserved in favor of the petitioner to deduct the amount paid in CMIS, my lord. So he is saying 25,000 is deducted towards that amount, and I need not pay anything in this MC petition. That is his claim, my lord. If he pays the 25,
So now, if this amount is granted by this court, he need not pay anything there.
that is his contention. That is why he is paying as good as I have not got any order in this MC.
No. But we can't grant this much of amounts, 25 there, 55 here.
No, this deduction.
No, no, when you file your statement of, your expenditure and what is the amount you want, have you in that have you shown this 25,000 that you are getting from the order that is already granted by the in criminal miscellaneous?
I have shown that, but I'm not getting that also, my lord. He is not complying that. I have shown that.
Clarify. That's what I'm saying. Either if you don't know, you want to forego that, everything will grant it here. And having getting to 25,000 there, again 55,000 here, how can it be? That's what I'm asking.
I'll let go that, my lord. Anyways, he is not paying that. Any order may be passed on.
What did you say? The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner wife submits that in the DV proceedings, court had granted 20,000 and 5,000 towards the maintenance of the wife and the child, and that amount is not paid by the husband, and only a part amounts are paid. It is submitted that the one child is a special child and he requires therapy, and for that she requires the amount, as the husband is working in Singapore, as he has failed to pay the maintenance. The wife is not in a position to maintain herself, the two children. Next para. No representation on behalf of the respondent. And in the preceding paragraph, this court has already observed that the the respondent husband has not paid the cost as directed by this court, and an order is already passed that the court will hear this matter and allow the petition. Next part. Having heard the learned counsel of the petitioner, there is a material on record. The husband is working in Singapore, and even before the court also, as per the judgment of the apex court, he has not filed a statement of assets and liabilities.
No, before any of the courts, he has
The
not.
liabilities. Once he fails to uh, file the statement of assets and liabilities, then an adverse inference has to be drawn by the court, and the conduct of the husband at all stages appears to be to evade the payment of maintenance to the wife. In that view of the matter, this court deems it appropriate to allow this petition, and maintenance of an amount of rupees 55,000 is awarded to the wife as claimed for. However, it is made it clear that as this court has granted 55,000, the wife is not entitled for any maintenance from today, as ordered in criminal miscellaneous number 23 of 2018. When is this application filed?
To the BV miss.
This IA,
This IA.
she is not entitled for,
1 to
because this
2000.
order is from the date of the IA, she is not entitled for,
27/6/2023, my lord.
she is not entitled for the maintenance from the DVC from the date of the IA in this case.
It is 65, my lord. 65, not.
My apologies, my lord. I appear for the
Over, I have
respondent.
already passed out.
My lord.
Sorry, my lord, I was held up in another court.
So many times you are held up. That's what the docket shows.
My lord, my one.
With
it
respect
is
to the
65,
costs
my
also,
lord.
my lord, the cost have been paid.
When
It has been paid 3 weeks back, my lords.
she says it is not paid.
There's an online payment, my lords. In fact, the respondents,
Not paid.
to the respondent, my lords. The respondent stays in Singapore. So I've asked him to send me all the bank details of the maintenance amount.
In spite of an order on the last occasion. How casually you are taking the
No.
order dated 29/10/2024 is not complied with, is order on 9/9/2025.
My lords,
This court
in
shall not
fact-
consider any of the contention of the respondent. On that view, the writ petition shall be allowed.
I agree, my lords. In fact, the interim order of this honorable court, my lords, was to pay extra 10,000 rupees apart from the 25,000 which was awarded, my lords. The extra 10,000 along with the 25,000 which has been paid. It has been paid from 3 occasions. In fact, my lords, in all total, a lump sum amount of rupees 12 lakhs or 13 lakhs has been paid. All the details, my lords, in fact, he was not well. He is in Singapore. So he'll be sending all the details through email, including the bank
The
transfers.
advocate, client is not well, advocate is well.
Please, my lords,
Advocate can come to the court. That's what you're engaged for.
please. I had,
What is this conduct?
I'm really sorry, my lords. I was held up in another court. I could not come on
No,
time.
not only that, how many times the matter has come up before the court?
No.
I've already recorded all that.
No, my lords, I was being present, my lords, only.
At the request of learned counsel, the respondent, release this matter.
It was only one occasion, my lords.